So it is nature and the adventure of nature, color clashing, color moving. There's absolutely something about free form in architecture. This is the entry to the Museum of Art in Inner Mongolia. And when you say free form, you usually think of something that's very curvy and free, but can of course also be angular. This is in Chengdu in China, a rooftop, almost an optical illusion when you look at it, but very much free in its shape. But color-wise, it's really about natural way of applying paint. It is the shifting, it is natural combinations, it is not using one color, it is really about the non-exact way, so not perfect lines, but really using paint and color in a so-called natural way. So palette for Big Nature Small Me, of course, a natural palette, very warm. On the yellow side, there's no natural materials without yellow pigments. Well, there's some flowers in that, and flower petals has no yellow pigments, but everything else in nature, sand, rock, bark, anything, dirt, everything contains yellow pigment. So of course, a palette that goes towards the yellow.